Hey guys, it's Dana Wollman with Engadget, and if I sound a little bit out of breath, it's because I just had a 3-minute boxing workout here in the middle of CES 2019. We're taking a look at FightCamp. It's a new startup that just launched an at-home boxing gym. Includes everything from the punching bag to 2 gloves, 2 hand wrappers, and most importantly, a tiny little sensor the size of a thumb drive that slips inside the glove and tracks your punches. So that setup is cool and convenient for people who don't have time to go to a gym or go to group boxing classes, but it wouldn't mean much if it weren't for the accompanying app and subscription service. So for $39 a month, you stream classes through an iOS app, which ideally you'd watch on your TV. So you'd use either an Apple TV or AirPlay on an iOS device. Either way, you stream these classes on your TV. And there are 4 new workouts a week, and all told there are 6 trainers, and I'm very pleased to say one of them is a woman, a former pro MMA fighter. The classes are varied in length, so at the shortest there's a 4-round workout, which is about 15 minutes, but you could go all the way up to 10 minutes. Now, the workouts are also a mix of traditional boxing. Obviously, you're going to see me throwing some punches, but also plyometrics, things like planks, sit-ups, high-intensity intervals, really meant to be a full-body workout. So I'm going to come back to that tiny little punch tracker for a minute. Some of the data that you get, it tells you not only how many punches you throw, but also the intensity of them. So you can see your output there on the screen in front of you, and you can see that number rising as the intensity of your punches increases. I tried the workout here, and I was reminded just from the few boxing classes that I've taken in my life, just how quickly your heart rate rises. So I had a really good workout. The only thing I missed from a traditional boxing class was someone really coaching me on my technique. I know that not every punch I threw was technically precise or technically correct, so I would have liked an in-person coach perhaps to coach me on the technique, especially if I were a beginner. But if I were more advanced, I might not need that coaching. I might just want to get the workout in quickly in my own home. So this week marked the official launch of the service. It's available nationwide in the US only for now. Check out more CES coverage on Engadget.com. Thanks for watching.